legal experts slam the racist magistrate in the Julius Malema's case. Listen to this.
I am battling to understand on what basis she would have acquitted the bodyguard who admittedly, on the evidence before her, which she has admitted, is the one who handed Mr. Malema this firearm, whether a toy or real. And then Mr. Malema is then convicted of possession and discharging that particular firearm, which the originator or the person was originally licensed to carry, handed over to Malema, who may or may not even be competent to handle such a firearm. And I'm just finding that logic a bit puzzling. Ask me, there's a reasonable chance that Mr. Malema might succeed. I also hasten to say that I found the reasoning of the presiding officer a bit incongruent in some instances. So there's a real chance that on appeal, the matter might be concluded differently.
Zola Majavu, and amongst others, is not only one who has commented on this matter. What they've pointed out, it is the incompetence and the racist attitude of this particular magistrate. There's also one expert who has also spoken about where this magistrate did get her education. It is from a racist institution, an anti-black institution. And of course, we know that people who have been taught, meaning people who have been groomed to be anti-black in their approach, they cannot be able to divorce themselves from that kind of background because it has been instilled in them. That's who they are. This therefore explains this nonsensical judgment to find Julius Malema guilty. Whereas that the person who had been charged with Julius Malema, his charges had been withdrawn, meaning this person has been found not guilty, and therefore that this person has been discharged. And there's no prize for guessing the race of this particular person, the former bodyguard to Julius Malema. It is a white person. So then it explains, and the good thing that then it exposes to everyone to see that actually what is the agenda here. You look at who's the complainant. The complainant is that a racist anti-black formation called AfriForum, an organization that represents the interest of settlers in this country. So this time they found a magistrate who's white, who looks like them. And this should be a lesson to people like Julius Malema, because Julius Malema on previous occasions, he has always availed himself to be a tool to be used by the white racist system against fellow black people. Now he must learn and understand that soon the system, once it has used you, it then turns against you, as we are seeing that it's doing now with Julius Malema. Remember, Julius Malema has used the system to deal with Jacob Zuma, and has also been doing the same to the likes of Advocate Tifo and all of that. But now he must begin to learn the lesson that white people are not his friends. Once after they've used him, they are going to turn against him, and brutally so, as we are seeing right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Stevos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Thank you very much.